Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Power BI is one of the most popular data visualization and business intelligence tool. If you want to download Power BI desktop application, please go to this site. Scroll down and click on download to get the Power BI desktop application. It will redirecting to the Microsoft Store. Click on Get button to download and installing the Power BI desktop application. If you are not logged into your Microsoft account, it will ask to log in. If it is downloaded and installed successfully, then it will notify to launch the application. It takes some time to load the application once we click on Launch button. Here we go. We successfully downloaded and installed the Power BI application. Now you can start the create reports and data visualization. Have a good day.